Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we discuss the latest news and updates from the world of science. In today's video, we'll be discussing the latest buzz in the field of astronomy, the possibility that the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has discovered dark matter stars. This discovery, if confirmed, could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and the mysterious dark matter that makes up a large portion of its mass. Dark matter has been a topic of fascination for scientists for decades, and the discovery of dark matter stars would be a significant breakthrough in our understanding of this elusive substance. So, let's dive right in and explore this exciting development in more detail. Before we delve into the details of the discovery, let's first understand what dark matter is. Dark matter is a type of matter that does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, and therefore cannot be seen directly. It is estimated that dark matter makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe, making it an essential component of our understanding of the universe's structure and evolution. Despite its prevalence, scientists have not yet been able to detect dark matter directly, and its properties remain a mystery. However, its presence can be inferred from its gravitational effects on visible matter, such as stars and galaxies. This has led scientists to hypothesize that dark matter is made up of particles that interact weakly with other matter, making them difficult to detect. The search for dark matter particles is one of the most significant challenges in modern physics, and the discovery of dark matter stars could provide new insights into this elusive substance. The James Webb Space Telescope is a joint project between NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA. It is named after James E. Webb, who served as the second administrator of NASA from 1961 to 1968. The telescope is designed to be the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, which has been in operation since 1990. The JWST is expected to be much more powerful than the Hubble, with a primary mirror that is over 6 times larger. This will allow it to observe some of the earliest galaxies in the universe, study the atmospheres of exoplanets, and even search for signs of life on other planets. The telescope will be positioned at the second Lagrange point, L2, which is located approximately 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. From this vantage point, the telescope will have an unobstructed view of the cosmos and will be able to observe objects that are too faint or too distant for other telescopes to detect. The JWST is expected to be a game-changer in the field of astronomy and will provide new insights into the mysteries of the universe. The team's simulations suggest that these dark matter stars could be up to 100 times the mass of our Sun, and could be found in the centers of galaxies where dark matter is most concentrated. The team also suggests that the gamma rays emitted by these stars could be used to map the distribution of dark matter in the universe, providing new insights into its properties and behavior. This could help us understand how dark matter interacts with itself and with visible matter, and how it influences the formation and evolution of galaxies. However, further observations and data analysis will be needed to confirm the existence of these stars and their potential implications for our understanding of the universe. If confirmed, this discovery could be a game-changer in the field of astronomy and could provide new insights into one of the most significant mysteries of the universe. While the discovery of dark matter stars is exciting, it is crucial to note that the evidence is not conclusive. The team of researchers that proposed the idea used simulations to model the behavior of dark matter particles in galaxy clusters. They found that the particles could interact and accumulate in the cores of stars, creating stars that are made entirely of dark matter. They also suggested that the stars could emit gamma rays that would be detectable by the James Webb Space Telescope. However, these simulations are based on assumptions and are not direct observations of dark matter stars. Therefore, it is essential to approach this discovery with caution until further evidence is obtained through direct observations and data analysis. The scientific community will need to verify the existence of these stars and their properties before we can confirm their existence and implications for our understanding of the universe. If dark matter stars are indeed discovered, it would not only revolutionize our understanding of dark matter but also provide a new perspective on the formation and evolution of galaxies. The discovery of dark matter stars would suggest that dark matter is not just a passive component of the universe but can interact with itself and form structures, which could help us understand the properties and behavior of this elusive substance. Furthermore, the study of dark matter stars could provide new insights into the role of dark matter in the formation and evolution of galaxies, which is still not fully understood by scientists. This discovery could be a significant breakthrough in our understanding of the universe and could pave the way for new discoveries in the field of astronomy. Our sponsor, XYZ, is a trusted name in the field of astronomy equipment and offers a wide range of telescopes, binoculars, and accessories that cater to the needs of both amateur and professional astronomers. Their products are of the highest quality and are designed to provide a seamless and immersive experience of exploring the wonders of the universe. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced stargazer, XYZ has the perfect product for you. From portable telescopes for on-the-go stargazing to high-end observatory-grade telescopes, they have it all. We highly recommend their products to anyone who is interested in astronomy and wants to take their stargazing experience to the next level. You can find a link to their website in the description below and explore their range of products to find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore the universe like never before with XYZ's top-of-the-line equipment. While the discovery of dark matter stars is a significant development, it is just the tip of the iceberg in the study of dark matter. There is still much to learn about this mysterious substance, and scientists around the world are working tirelessly to unravel its secrets. The James Webb Space Telescope, along with other upcoming observatories such as the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, will play a crucial role in this research. These telescopes will allow us to study the universe in unprecedented detail and provide new insights into the mysteries of dark matter. With the launch of these observatories, we can expect to make significant strides in our understanding of dark matter and its role in the universe. The study of dark matter is one of the most exciting and challenging fields in modern physics, and the discovery of dark matter stars is just the beginning of what promises to be a fascinating journey of discovery. In addition, the discovery of dark matter stars could also have implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. If dark matter stars are found to emit gamma rays, as suggested by the simulations, it could provide a new way to detect and study exoplanets that orbit these stars. This could help us understand the habitability of these planets and whether they could support life as we know it. The study of dark matter stars could also shed light on the formation and evolution of black holes, which are thought to be closely linked to the distribution of dark matter in the universe. Overall, the discovery of dark matter stars, if confirmed, would be a significant breakthrough in our understanding of the universe and could pave the way for new discoveries in the field of astronomy. We hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting updates from the world of science. Welcome to Blasovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blasovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe. Live Q&A sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q&A sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos, and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blasovia Science TV member today, and together, we will reach for the stars. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, we would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on the latest developments and discoveries in the field of astronomy and beyond. We value your feedback and support, and it motivates us to create more engaging and informative content for you. So, please share your thoughts on the possibility of dark matter stars in the comments section below. Do you think this discovery could revolutionize our understanding of the universe? Let us know your opinions and join the conversation. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.